Okay, this is a short video clip about some storm damage that was suffered to a mobile home that I just sold a fella. We're going to go up here and take a look at it. We had some strong winds around here, about 50, 60 miles an hour for a couple of days. It took out this tree and it landed on top of this mobile home I just recently sold. We'll go up here and take a look, see what we see. As you see, we got a power company truck up here trying to put the power back in to fix some of the wires that were damaged by the winds in the tree. Have a fellow up here with a tractor. He's helping move some of the material off the trailer. You know, they already rolled it off the top of the trailer. The power company picked the tree off the top of the trailer and set it on the ground so they could make their repairs. Now the fellows are trying to pick it up and haul it off. You can see it did quite a bit of damage to the center portion of the mobile home. We got a bunch of fellows out here with chainsaws. We have a lot of people in this neighborhood that are Hispanic and black, you know, and they kind of get out and help each other out, you know. So they're out here in force trying to get this tree off of here, you know. As you can see, it fell right about where the bedrooms start in the back of this trailer. Look up front there's little or no damage to the front of the mobile home, but quite a bit there to the center, you know. Hope these people don't have a lot of problems to repair the damage they had, you know, because they just moved in this mobile home, and it's so sad to have this kind of damage this early on, you know. Anyway, this is about the extent of it. The lady had removed all the trees in the mobile home park, and the fellow that lived there before wanted to keep those 2 trees, and naturally I knew that was a bad move, but now you suffer because you made a bad choice, you know, because she had offered to have them cut down, and now she's having to have her husband come out here and go through the act of having what should have been cut down before. Had he had them cut down before, there wouldn't be any storm damage, you know, just from the high winds, you know. So a bad choice. I would caution you people that own mobile homes, even houses, especially if you got a pine tree in your yard, you need to cut that thing down because the world's worse about cracking and falling over. You know, pine trees are notorious. I'm a storm adjuster, and I've seen a lot of pine trees fall through houses and stuff. So if you got trees on your property, make sure that if they were to fall, they wouldn't reach your home, you know, because it's just devastating damage here, you know. Very big expense for the people here, and they're very low-income people, so this is a big hit to their budget, you know, to have to remove a tree and repair their home. Okay, just a little update from Dino. A little stormy damage in my hood.